To change the speed of the spindle, raise the cover at the top. There are two settings for the belt. We can move the belt to the upper level or the lower level. We are in the slowest speed at the bottom. When you move the belt up to the upper level, it spins faster. So we can loosen the bolt here, and the tensioner slips out of the way. Then we can walk the belt from the lower pulley to the upper pulley. You have the belt and the other pulley, and we can swing this belt tensioner back around. To get the proper belt tension, we'll snug this bolt down but not actually tighten it, just so it's snug. And we can push that in to get our belt tension and finish tightening that up.